On-screen text reads, what you need. Large terracotta saucer, water, large terracotta pot, stones. In live action, a man carries a terracotta pot through woodland and sets it down and lays the saucer on top. Step 1. Scout. Find an open spot with plants and shrubs nearby. Step 2. Build. Place the terracotta pot upside down. Put the saucer on top. Add a handful of stones to help birds and bees perch for a drink. In a garden, a watering can is tipped over a saucer, then on-screen text reads, fill your bath with water. Step 3. Watch. Keep watch for birds bathing and drinking. Record what you see and take photos to share with friends. Photos of different bird species appear on screen. Step 4. Maintain. Clean and fill with fresh water on a regular basis. Top up with water on hot summer days and keep ice-free in winter. Footage of a finished bird bath is overlaid on the left-hand side with a narrow, semi-opaque black rectangle on which the credits are displayed. Film Ben Webber, Science Sylvia Myers, Stephanie Holt, Archive Shutterstock, Music Audio Network. On the right-hand side is the Natural History Museum logo consisting of the words Natural History Museum displayed in a column flanked by a large letter N on the left. Text at the bottom reads, copyright owned by the trustees of the Natural History Museum London.